Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys what I got when I went Christmas decor shopping. I went to Target. I did hit up the dollar spot at Target, or the bullseye section. And then I went to Kirklands, and then I went to Hobby Lobby. I'm going to start off by saying that I was pretty disappointed with Kirklands and Hobby Lobby both. I don't know if it's just me, or like maybe I'm being picky, or maybe I just don't know exactly what I want to do this year yet, so I was kind of indecisive. I don't know, but I just didn't see a whole lot of things that caught my eye. But I did get, somehow I ended up getting quite a bit of stuff, but not all of it is Christmas decor. Some of it's just year-round decor. But anyways, if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I got at Hobby Lobby was this sign here, and it was in like the Farmhouse decor slash Christmas aisle, but it says merry and bright, and it has a little pine cone on the edge. But how much was this? This is $24.99, and all of their Christmas stuff was 50% off, so not bad at all. Okay, and then I found this one over in just the regular decor, and it's not Christmas, obviously, but I'm gonna put this in our bedroom. I loved it. So I went ahead and used my 40% off coupon because it wasn't 50% off, and I knew that I wouldn't be going to Hobby Lobby again anytime soon, or at least I don't think so. So I just used my 40% off coupon. It was originally $24.99. But yeah, I'm gonna put that in our master bedroom. Okay, so this next thing is not Christmas, it's Thanksgiving, I guess, or fall, but I am hosting Thanksgiving at my house this year, so I wanted to pick this up for the table. I thought it was really, really pretty. Okay, so the next thing I got was at the Target bullseye section, or the dollar spot, and it was one of these little trees. It was $3. I have a few of these from last year, but I went ahead and picked up another one just in case, but it just has a couple pine cones. It's like a waxy feeling material, I guess, but anyways, I got this. And then I got these adorable little rain boots, and they had these in a few different colors, but I got this color obviously because it's my favorite. And then I got this little boxwood to go inside of it. These were both $3. And it has like, it looks like there's snowflakes or like ice on it. I don't know if you can really tell in camera, but that in person, it does look like that. So I thought it looked perfect when I set it down inside of the boots. So I got those. Then next at the Target dollar spot, I got this cute little doggy jacket, and they had black and red at mine. It's still a little bit big for her. I went with the bigger one instead of the smaller one. They had different sizes because she's still growing so fast, but I thought it was cute. I don't even know if she'll ever wear it. Then in the dollar spot, they had this little giving thanks tree, I guess, gratitude tree. And so I think it's like cardboard, or is it? No, it's like really thin wood. Show you on the back, I don't know if you can see, but you set it up, and then these little leaves, you can write what you're thankful for. And so I thought that would be fun to do for Thanksgiving. I got these little trees for the girls. They had pink, silver, this color, and I don't remember, maybe that was it. They were $3, and right now they don't look that great because they need to be fluffed up, but I got those there. And then I picked up this little sign that you can hang, and it says all is calm and bright. It was $3. And then I only found one of these little houses, and I was sad because I wanted to pick up a couple of them, and this one had a little bit of markings on it, but I figured I could probably touch that up with paint. It was $3, and the back is open so you can stick like a little tea light candle, and I did pick up some tea lights. Yeah, I just picked these up. We're in the dollar spot, 2 little battery powered tea lights to go in there. So I only got one, but if I go back, I'm gonna check and see if they have more. And then they only had 3, I think 3, I got 3 of these. So I'm gonna check if they have, I need one more. So I'm going to check next time I go to see if they have it. But I got these little stocking holders that you put up on your fireplace, and then your stocking hangs from it. But it is super cute. It's a little house just like that one, and then the wood, and I just feel like it matches my decor, and it's super neutral. So I got 3 of these. These were, how much were these? These were $3. And then I found this in the dollar spot as well, and it just says give thanks and eat pie. It was $5. It seems like a really nice little pie pan. So I got that for Thanksgiving to set one of my pies that I make in there, because I always make pumpkin pie for my husband. That's his favorite. So yeah, pretty good deal I feel like on this. Alright, and then beyond that, I pretty much just picked up some random things. There's one more big thing I got at Kirklands. I'm going to show that to you last. It's not Christmas related, but I am excited about it. But beyond those things, I just got little things that I needed, like Kinsley needed socks. I got her this little pack of headbands. I got Madeline these little light up headphones in the dollar spot. How much were these? $5. Hopefully they work and they aren't junk. Because the ones she had, I think Bailey chewed them, to be honest. And then I picked up some more of my wood for good because I was almost out, and I love this. This is all I will clean. My table, my kitchen table, and then my coffee tables I'll clean with this, and then I polished with the end dust, but I was almost out of my wood for good, so I picked that up. And then I think I got like some setting spray, but beyond that I didn't really get anything else at Target, but I did get what I'm about to show you at Kirklands, and I think that was the only thing I bought at Kirklands. So I picked up this canister set at Kirklands, and it was my lucky day. I kind of went back and forth. I almost didn't get them, and then I was like, well, I'll get them, and I can always take them back if I don't end up liking them, because I still like mine, but honestly I was really just looking for a change. I've had mine for a long time. I've had mine for like 5 years, so I kind of wanted a change, and they had a little sign sitting next to them that said 30% off all canister sets, and then I knew I'd get my military there. You always get 10% military discount, so, and they will double it with your coupon. So I was like, well, that'll save me, you know, I think over $15, so I'll go ahead and do it. And so I got it up to the register, and when I got up there, somebody had left the sign out there from yesterday, and they weren't really 30% off. They were regular price, but they went ahead and honored it because they did leave the sign out. So they honored it. So altogether, these were originally $50, and altogether I paid $34 out the door. That's with tax and everything. So pretty good deal. Military saves us tax here in Tennessee, basically, because our tax is almost 10%. It sucks, but military discount basically gives you tax-free. Alright guys, I hope that wasn't disappointing. I really didn't end up getting a whole lot. I went to Walmart even, and I didn't find anything there that I liked. So I think I'm going to do a little bit of shopping online. I don't really know what I'm going to do, because I do want to get some more stockings. I don't like the ones I have. I've had them for years and years and years. I think before Kinsley was even born, maybe. So it is time to change those up for me. I just am ready for a change. So I don't know, but if I do end up getting quite a bit more stuff, I will do another haul, but you will see everything when it's all put up, when I decorate for Christmas, because I will film that for you guys. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little haul. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. That way you don't miss when I upload, and I will see you guys next time.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?